I'm actually going to cut out of this one with the intent of rebuying here if that is possible. I feel like that wasn't a great trade. I chased. I don't know if you guys saw that. Okay. Still. Oh, there was that flash pullback I was waiting for. Crappy entry, but this is really weird price action for this. Order book is all over the place. Boom, nice little pop there. 8% move. Tiny size. Morning traders, welcome back. Man, look at this ape ticker just going crazy. Got halted here. I have no trust in this ticker. Maybe it's gonna have like a couple days of crazy momentum. If I owned any, I would just sell all of it. Me, Kevin actually came out with a really good video talking about apes. So I'd definitely check out that video if you haven't done so. Wow. So I got to run to the train station and hit my train back to Berlin. Right now I'm in South Germany, outside of Stuttgart, more or less. And boom, I'm up 530 today. Just a lot of consistent small wins, nothing really crazy. We had a lot of sub-dollar action out there, and I didn't love the action. It's not like I don't really love these sub-dollars. Sometimes I put in low limit orders and randomly I get filled, but I always use small size. I just didn't get really comfortable. I think the recording today is going to be quite interesting because I was a little bit more smooth and I paused it a lot, so it's going to be very seamless. Yesterday I was like way too emotional because I just, you know, had my success in the morning with my German driver's license transfer from Florida, so I was like kind of ecstatic because that was like a month-long process. So let's just go through these tickers really fast. I don't have my trade journal stats to show you guys because I don't have time to import. I got to get packing, but I wanted to at least trade the market open, at least watch with you guys. So MRIN, so this ticker, look at this disgusting sell-off, horrible. You know, this was our lead gapper today, and this one failed hard. We've been seeing that a lot lately where our lead gapper fails. I don't love that, and I traded it really quickly right here in this area when I thought, okay, we got a spike over VWAP, but it didn't hold. My trades aren't showing for some weird reason. But look to the left, you know, zoom out and look to the left. That's always what you do if you're not sure. And you know, here try to break, VWAP didn't work. Here tried, here tried, here tried, here tried, here tried. Everything tried, didn't work. And yeah, so that story is pretty consistent with that. AVYA, what do we got on this ticker? Popped up, and I actually said in the Discord, this one looks good right here in this pullback, and well, that's 10%, you know, down later. So sorry guys if anyone jumped on that, but always know why you're trading whatever you're trading. For me, I traded this one here in this area, also didn't work out. I just cut my losses really quickly. That's something Ross would say. I cut my losses and I made money. Well, basically I just stopped out. My goal here was more continuation. I was up even more, like, I don't know. I was tiny size, so no matter what, I wasn't going to have a big win. This is just tiny size, like 10% of what I want to be trading. Anyway, I was looking for a breakout here. It didn't work, and then I like kind of cut it here. So in a way, I felt like I took a loss here because I cut it for more or less break even when I was up much more percentage-wise. Oh, well. And I don't know. Look at that sell-off. It's tough out there. Actually, everyone's calling out ear right now in the Discord. Let's see what's popping. Oh, yeah, this one actually looks pretty smooth. The problem is with a high relative volume here, there is none. 5 minute looks pretty okay, a little extended, but maybe it's going to have a few more attempts here to crawl higher. I mean, maybe, but again, I don't love it. I don't love it. I really don't like the fact that the volume is so light right now. Just feels like everything is so risky out there. INDO, yesterday, I had such a volatile trading day. I made 1,700, and then I made 1,800, and I lost 1,700, and I ended the day up like $90 or $100, something like that. So that was basically yesterday, and today, I think I had like a 70 or 80% profit margin, so I didn't really give back much profit. With INDO, where, you know, it's kind of annoying here that my trades aren't showing. Where did I trade this one? Yeah, okay, I forget, for a second I forgot. This one, you know, it's a grinder for sure. Once it broke VWAP here, I was like a little bit more interested. I traded this pullback, took profits quickly. This was very small size, and then I traded this flash pullback and took profits really quickly. Again, I didn't feel comfortable really sizing on this ticker, so Yeah, HSDT, the ticker I'm up second on the most on the day. This one was a little bit more interesting for me, even though it's a sub dollar and has a really ugly daily chart and it looks like it's already red on the day. I was kind of okay on the way I traded it. Let's see if I can get some trades to show up. I originally traded it here in this area, took a small win, and then I nailed this move, which was really, really nice. And that's where I made the bulk mod profits with HSDT. I don't think I traded it after that, no. Again, I don't know why my trades aren't showing up. TOS is always a little bit laggy sometimes. But yeah, this was really the moneymaker right here for me. I just really edged into this one perfectly. Volume was, you know, kind of on the light side for the fact that it's a 75-cent ticker, but it's okay. Again, I didn't size up on these trades, and this is really why. ILAG, which is fine. Like, I'm totally ready to size up, trust me. I'm really ready, but on opportunities like this, I mean, this ticker's barely pushing over 100,000 shares right now. So, like, I can't be, like, 5% of the volume. I really don't want to be that. And I was over that. So, it's got to be a little bit careful. Actually, on this move, yeah, I was over that. So, that just shows you, like, ooh, it's getting a little hairy. ILAG, let's see. What's going on some of these candles, which I was aggressive on. Here, I was 2,000 shares on, like, 50,000 shares being traded, so really crazy. And I went for this extended pullback. This one worked. I took profits really quickly, and I missed actually the big pop because this one was a little bit sketchy how much it sold off here. I actually did hold some into this pop, so that was a decent winner. I think that's where I made most of my profits. And then here I made sure to cut my losses really quickly and had a small winner here. But you know, this was kind of fun because it was like the first ticker that really started moving, but it was only up 30, 35, 37%, and then it consolidated, and then at the open it was shaky. So really not a fun day, and it doesn't feel that bad running away today, although I gotta say, like, I wouldn't be surprised if, like, at 10-15 we finally got that move we were waiting for. So if you're still trading, I hope you nail whatever pops up. I really wouldn't be surprised. I mean, super slow pre-market, super slow open. It's almost guaranteed that you're going to have some nice popper at one point. Every time we have like a really hot pre-market, then it's the opposite, where the open is typically really bad or something like that. So let's see what happens here. I mean, ears crawling higher, so it's kind of fun to watch. All right, guys, I got to run. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you then first thing tomorrow morning. Like always, guys, stay safe and make some awesome trades. Ciao, ciao.